Thank you, President Ford. This is an exciting day. We are so uh, thankful for our companies for being here, taking time out of busy schedules to come and help us recognize our students. We are appreciative of parents and family members and friends being here as well. We're super proud of our students. This is a competitive program. This program has been in existence for 8 years now, and it's gotten more and more competitive every year. Not every student is selected. So students, be proud of yourselves and this wonderful opportunity that's being placed before you. And parents, I hope you're proud as well. We want to take time to recognize each student, each company, and students, if you'll come forward as I called your names, multiple students at companies, if you'll all come together at once, we'll do one at a time and then a group photo. And as you come forward, we'll sign at the table and then take a photo. So the 2025 Tiger Apprenticeships class. We have Alex Marino. He's in the electrical technology program from Belmont, Mississippi. He is a first-year student in this program. We're excited that he is able to apprentice at SM Lawrence. And Mr. Melson, if you'll come forward and point us for pictures. We were not able to have our company representative here. Couldn't get back from work. Mr. Melson will sit in for us, and hope he's busy this morning. So Alex is in the electrical program, and then his brother Andrew Marino is he's in the heating and air conditioning technology program, and he's from Belmont. He's a first-year student in that program, and he's been selected by SM Lawrence. Both of these students are first years, and then before you get away, we'd also like to, and y'all will wait for me too, Mr. Josh Germany. He is a second-year student in our electrical technology program. He was selected earlier in the summer to work at SM Lawrence as well. And y'all will join Mr. Melson. We'll take a picture with y'all. These three students are apprenticing for SM Lawrence and gaining valuable experience. Thank you very much. I'd like to point out that this is a wonderful partnership that we have with Accelerate Mississippi, providing the funding for this program. Also with Free Rivers Planning and Development District, they help us with this program as well. We couldn't do the program without Accelerate and Free Rivers helping us along the way. It's a great opportunity. Again, we're in our 8th year. We're just super proud of our students. We're especially thankful for our companies for investing in Northeast, our programs, and our students.